Hey crafty people! Thanks so much for stopping by today and welcome to my channel. Today is day 9 of the Gina K Designs 12 Days of Christmas unboxing of the box. Alright, let's see what we have. Just a bit of housekeeping. If you missed any of the other days or the projects that I've made with the contents, there is a link in the description box and over on my blog of the playlist where you can find all of that stuff. Alright, let's look in here. We're getting very down to the end. There's hardly anything in here anymore. That's exciting. Alright, so day 9. Alright, I've been trying, I'm being naughty, but I've been trying to peek through the, the paper to see what's there. So this kind of looks like a die set. So hopefully it is a stamp and die set, but we will find out, right? Alright, let's open it up. Ooh. This one is called Cheers to Another Year. Oh, this is great. And look at these all, they cut everything out and right around the edges. So that's awesome. May your special day be as wonderful as you are. May today mark the start of your best year yet. Cheers to another year of making beautiful memories. Happy birthday, birthday wishes. Sending you warm wishes for a day full of cake, smiles, and everything you love. May this year bring you countless blessings and endless reasons to smile, and let's party. So this is a great celebration set, a birthday set, kind of a New Year set. So that is awesome. I don't really have a lot of celebrating the New Year kind of applicable stamps. So that is awesome that we have something like that now. And I also like that on the die it cuts out the insides and right around. I'm just noticing that. So that is awesome. Very, very exciting. Alright, so this was for day 9. Join me for day 10 tomorrow. I'm excited to see what is going on. And again, I will put the playlist over in the description box if you missed any of the other days. And until next time, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and have an amazing day. Bye-bye.